Hello dear students. In the last two lectures, we have understood the story Pali in detail, and in this lecture will try to interpret the story, focusing on its themes and also the characters in the story. So, as we have seen that the story is about the theme of partition and how the partition affects the mind of a little boy, Pali, how he is converted to different religions for two times, and what it affects, how it affects the mind of the boy. Actually, in the last lecture, we had skipped a part, the story, that what happens when Pali comes to India, or also on the way when he comes back to India with Manohar Lal, how the social worker treats Pali or she behaves with him. Pali, as you know, a small child who is separated from his parents, starts living with his new parents, Shakur and Zainab, Muslim couple, Muslim parents. And there he is happy with them. And he's converted to Muslim religion by the Maulavi. And because the people in Muslim community, they do not want a Hindu boy among them. And so Pali is converted to Altaf. He gets a new identity. But slowly he gets habit of all these things and he starts saying namaz and wears Muslim dress and is happy with his parents. But one day when he becomes 11 years old, his father, Manohar Lal, comes to Pakistan to claim Pali as his son. Actually, Manohar Lal was searching for Pali all these years with the help of police and social workers. And finally, he becomes successful. He comes to Pali in Pakistan, and the situation is very, serious. That Pali is shown a photo and to recognize his father. And in the beginning, Pali doesn't recognize his father, but in the photograph he remembers his father and he shouts Pitaji like this. But at the same time, he calls Shakur Abbaji also. So this boy is confused. But yet, because he recognizes his father, he is given in the custody of Manohar Lal. It's very difficult for his mother to hand over Pali to Manohar Lal. Here we find that what Zainab feels. She takes heroic decision for the happiness of Pali's real mother, Kaushalya. Actually, she is very sad when she thinks about separation of Pali from her. There is no feeling of hatred in Zainab's heart for Pali's parents, who snatch away from her the most precious jewel of her life, that is Pali. Being a woman, she understands the miserable plight of Pali's real mother. She understands other woman's feelings. But with trembling heart, she asked Manohar Lal, "Take away the child. I do not want an unfortunate woman's curse to fall upon me. How could I know You have lost both your children. Pali finds himself torn between his present and the past, and he witnesses everything like a mute witness. He is not allowed any opinion in the matters regarding his life, his own life. So, here we find that how Pali is given to Manohar Lal by the Muslim parents. On their way back to India, the social worker woman, what she does, she throws away Pali's roomy cap on the road. Pali starts crying, but the social worker woman has no feelings towards this boy. And she says, "You are a Hindu boy. Why should you wear a Muslim cap?" Pali is left confused at this, and he does not understand what the woman means and what she wants to convey. He could not understand the difference between the different religions, Hindu and Muslim. For him, the cap did not symbolize anything great. He just liked to wear the cap. But for people, the cap symbolized Muslim. For him, the cap was just a piece of cloth put on head, nothing less, nothing more. He was too young to understand the nuances of the so-called religious sanctity and the codes associated with it. After reaching India, Pali continues his normal ways of life. He has the habit of saying namaz and wearing Muslim kurta. But Hindu people, do not like these habits of Pali now. They become angry at him. While doing this, Pali can feel the tension and aversion that the community shows against him, as people are watching him with feeling of disgust, and he is very strictly told that he must get rid of such type of nasty habits. Do not want they do not want a Muslim among them. They do not like Pali having keeping habits of a Muslim religion. Gradually, he understands that in his new home, he is not allowed his namaz or his Muslim clothes and cap. The biggest blow to his psyche arrives when he is once again made to go through the conversion ceremony in order to assimilate into a new religion. So Pali is once again converted to Hindu religion by the Pandit, and he is given his original name again, Pali. So his hair is cut and his Muslim clothes are taken off, and he is newly clothed in dhoti and kurta as a Hindu, and his identity is changed from Altaf to Pali. So we can conclude the story as Pali becomes the victim of partition. Victim means bali. Means Pali's childhood is destroyed due to partition. It creates trauma in his mind permanently. Pali is left behind during the partition in Pakistan and is adopted by a Muslim family and then again taken back to India after some years by his biological parents. So he is made to face many ambiguous or strange situations, and he goes through difficult situations or rituals, procedures, that is conversion of religion, purification, and it creates a trauma in his mind. During all this drama of conversion and displacement, nobody cares about the feelings of this boy, this little boy. What does that boy feel? The trauma that he experiences remains on the back foot, and religion comes on the or religions comes on the fore. It becomes very important for the people and not the feelings of this boy. It is the religion and the communism that is held supreme by the society and its members, and not the feelings of boy. Pali by Bisham Sahani, the story written by Bisham Sahani, very tenderly brings forth the trauma of partition The irony of the religious conversion and alienation of Pali. Alienation means loneliness. So we can interpret this story by focusing on these three things or three themes. When you find that the story from we can interpret the story from an individual's point of view, and we can see that how the religious sentiments become important or the communal superiority is important than the sentiments or the feelings of a person. The bonds of love doesn't do not matter, do not find importance before religion. The most important thing in community or society is religion and nothing else. It is the selfish motives and false norms that commands the actions of and emotions of people. A little child, Pali, who had already suffered a lot, is made to go through various rites and rituals. The boy who is separated from his parents, who is already very sad, but he is again made to go through the rites and rituals and change his religion and change his habits of, and change to, and he is made to live a different type of life, forgetting everything in the past or his past memories, which he couldn't understand at all. Actually, he couldn't understand what is happening to him, why the people are treating him like this. He doesn't understand anything about the religion. He is not asked whether he wanted to go with his father to India or not. He feels helpless. What Pali wants? Does he want to live in Pakistan, or he wants to go to India? Is not important for people, or is not asked about this. So Pali feels alienated, lonely, and doesn't seem to belong to either of the countries. He becomes a type of sandwich between these two religions, and he feels that he doesn't belong to anywhere. He loses his identity. His identity is changed two times. From Pali he becomes Altaf, and from Altaf he becomes Pali. But in all this, in all this, um, drama of conversion, he loses his identity. He doesn't know actually where does he belong. Is he Muslim or Hindu, or does he belong to Pakistan or to India? For him, it is difficult to decide as to which religion to follow. He didn't know whether he loved his present parents more or the earlier one. He doesn't understand which parents he should love, or does he love. So, as a child, Pali couldn't understand the complexities of the religious divide, which had already taken countless lives. We cannot blame Pali's Hindu parents or Muslim parents. They are very good parents, but they are the victims of social customs. So, the story shows us how the people, common people, become victims of social customs or victims of religious traditions. They do not want to harm their child, but they are helpless. They can't do anything. The story is the reflection of the consequences of post-partition life, and the wounds that people suffered during the time of partition have not yet been healed. Healed means healed means बरे होणे. पार्टिशनने ज्या जखमा लोकांच्या मनावर केल्या त्या अजूनही बऱ्या झालेल्या नाहीये. Even today, many of the people who had gone through partition, who had lived at the time of partition, who had experienced the cruel incidents of partition, they had not forgotten their memories of partition. Yet they are experiencing that trauma of partition. So Bisham Sahani here raises the many important questions about partition and leaves them unanswered. He makes them to think over those questions. The end of the story suggests that perhaps it may have been better to leave Pali with his adoptive parents, for whom he was with them. He was a happy child, full of gaiety and joy. We also think so the that Pali was happy with Shakur and Jina, and perhaps he would have been very happy with them, and he should not have returned to India with Manohar Lal. So, but Would the decision to be considerate about a little boy's happiness and sentiments be wise enough when the larger issues concerning religion are involved? This is the question which we will need to answer to ourselves. Means, what was important? The little boy's happiness and his feelings or sentiments were not given importance. And if they were given importance, means if the feelings of little boy Pali were important, then what about religion, religious issues? So it is a very difficult question to answer, because the community in which we live gives importance to religious traditions. We cannot go away or do away with them, and perhaps due to such type of things, we have to suffer. Pali suffered, Pali's parents suffered, and many people are suffering due to religious matters even today. This is the question which we feel we all need to answer to ourselves. And towards the end of the story, this question Bhisham Sahani asks to us and makes us think about religion, and makes us think about partition, makes us think about feelings of people, makes us think about trauma of partition and everything which makes our lives, or which makes us suffer, or which fills our life with sorrows. So this is the very interesting short story about a little boy child, a little child Pali, but which is very at the same time, which is a very which is very serious, because the theme or the background of the story is partition, which is a very serious matter happened in the history. So the story makes us think about historical events and the religion or religious drives and other such matters. So, dear students, I think you have understood the story very clearly. We, in this lecture, we complete the story, and if you have any doubts about anything, you can ask me in the Google Classroom, and or on WhatsApp group. I will post a quiz on this story. So you just watch the video again and again, and also read the notes provided to you about this story in the Google Classroom, so that you will be able to write or give response to the quiz asked to you. So let's stop here now.